DIENES, the innovation company.
Hello everybody and welcome to today's episode of DIENES Video Series. My name is Julian Supe-Dienes and I'm responsible for the sales department at DIENES Werke. Today I'm happy to introduce to you our SIMU-FLASH fully automatic positioning system. This means each knife is positioned simultaneously according to the recipes, which can be customized and saved via touch panel. Due to the simultaneous movement of each cut, it is possible to reach positioning times of less than 15 seconds. Each knife is able to be driven to its foreseen position directly. Meanwhile, the accuracy of the positioning system is at an excellent level of only ±0.2 mm. These data make our SIMU-FLASH very popular, especially for inline slitting applications. On one hand side for OEM applications, on the other hand side as a retrofit solution for existing machinery. Besides the advantage to reach an optimized overall equipment effectiveness due to minimized positioning times, the operational safety with SIMU-FLASH is at an outstanding level. For the startup of your machinery, it's possible to drive the knives in the parking area simultaneously to make sure operators have full space for filling in the web material. Moreover, it's an important point that SIMU-FLASH is a very reliable solution. DIENES offers a wide range of maintenance programs from first hand to make sure the efficiency of the machine and also the lifetime is at a maximum level. DIENES has successfully completed various projects either for shear cut or crush cut applications. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have got any questions, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Our sales team is glad to assist you. Thank you.